already playing Friday Night Funkin' a bit ago because I was bored, and I almost won the week there where I literally failed almost over 100 times. Well, it feels like I almost died like 100 times. Now I'm just going to be recording so you see that I win it. Yippee!
3, 2, 1, go!
It's lagging again. Well, it didn't crash, but
3, 2, 1, go!
now we have this guy. What happened to the kids? What did you
Guess it's time you better plug in all your nightlights. What's up there past your darkened door? Just the ice floating up out of the shore. Yeah, man, I'm gonna eat your girlfriend. Or maybe turn her into broad. Kill a kick, I'm up, stuff them up inside of my secret meat box. And because it might as well kill your skin off. You'll meet your friends. It's all the ambulance. Call to the night, to the werewolf. Give all your blood to him. Stand under the warm street light.
Three, two, one, go!
Yeah.
That's right, that's right, that's right.
Beautiful. That was beautiful. I just wanted to stand up
two,
and
one,
dance
go.
here. I think this is the end. I almost did it perfect, but I messed up like 3 or 2 things.
3,
of
2,
our
1,
goal.
go!
Was it lagging or am I drunk? I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go!
The end was a bit bad, but I don't care. I did it anyway. So another
3,
one?
2,
Yeah,
1,
okay.
go!
Okay, I'm back. I keep muting so you don't hear smashing my keyboard. This
Oh yeah.
a bit much. My brain was like almost didn't see what was happening. But who cares? No money and steady. Beautiful. In
Three,
Christmas.
2, 1, go!
Now that it's slow, who the hell is giggling there? So what's
3, 2,
now?
1, go!
Santa is still alive? Did someone... Oh, I was about to say, did someone... maybe not
3,
hot,
2, 1, go!
but... My... Oh, okay, my girlfriend is...
Your skin is
So
freezing.
maybe
It lets me help you take it off. Feasting with your friends, the perfect way to end all these lonely holidays. La la la. You're taking piece of your rabies and vivisect your mind. Snowmen smiling with your teeth, foreign names created with your meat. That early smile, cutting 1,000 slices to make you till golden brown. Some you with spices, serve to friends around. Separate you from your eyes to girlfriend inside out and burn her fingernails. Soak your hands in freezing water, watching as the skin gets softened. See your bones appear in darkness snow. Drop further below. Just take a piece of your rabies and set your mind. And take a peek inside your head and find a world inside. Cutting 1,000 slices, make you till golden brown. Fill you with spices, serve to friends around. Turn the heat on high and we'll reduce your blood. Boil little boyfriend, with brandy and plum.
What does he want from me and my girlfriend? Week 6 with senpai. A new fair maiden has come in search of true love. Nuh-uh, I already found my true love. I don't know if it's called maiden, but I don't care. A serenade. I don't know. I'm not good in English. Between gentlemen shall decide where her beautiful heart shall reside. It's mine. She's mine.
3, 2, 1, go!
He looks like he's moaning all the time when he's making a sound. I don't know. I wanna hit him in the face. Not bad for an ugly worm. And beautiful. Look at you. You look ugly as hell. But this time I rip your nuts off after your girlfriend finishing dogging mine. Why? What did I
3,
do?
2, 1, go!
that wasn't too bad. Having a mental breakdown, but never mind. Direct contact with real humans after being trapped in here for so long. Who cares? Her of all people. I make her father pay for what he's done to me and all the others. Womp womp. I beat you and make you take my place. Nuh-uh. You don't mind your body's being borrowed, right? I do mind, actually. It's only fair. Why would it be fair? You're the one who failed, like... Who just failed like an idiot.
3, 2, 1, game!
We finished. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, let me see. Okay, we are not filming.
Well, what do we got here? We should just kill you, but what the hell, it's been a boring day. Let's see what you got.
3, 2, 1, go!
do stuff, so I couldn't focus.
Pretty
on the
tight
music.
bars for a little dude who's simping over an ugly, boring little teenager that wears her mom's clothes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no. With my fingers.
Oh my god, what the hell was that? What the hell was that? Maybe if you had more friends, you'd be less depressed and play better. Hmm?
No, that was the wrong button. I didn't want to get out of it, but I guess it's almost an hour, so we can chill now. We can stop. I have the feeling that changing the emotions of my model here didn't work again, because it usually doesn't work when I look at the video recording. We will try this next time again. The last 2 weeks. And then maybe download mods without getting a virus. Yay. Bye bye.